One of the most interesting features is that you can generate course from your own content. That is how you provide your own unique knowledge for students and also curate the quality of the information. So I will show you how to create one module in the course from the YouTube video. I paste here a link to my video and then I generate the tutorial from this content. What is going on right now? AI collects and analyzes captions of this video, then summarizes it and generates a description and step-by-step guide based on this particular information. The generation process has already started. The description is created, some words are emphasized in bold with different examples. Titles are pretty structured and organized, and also it provides a step-by-step plan to learn more about the atomic structure. All students can ask video about something really interesting for them or not understandable. So, what is nucleus? And AI provide personalized answer for each student.